These are instructions to sign into the Adobe Creative Cloud using the desktop app. Step 1. Launch the Creative Cloud desktop app. Download it from Adobe if needed. For Windows, do any of the following. Double-click the Adobe Creative Cloud icon on the desktop. Click the Start button, then Adobe Creative Cloud. Click the Creative Cloud icon on the taskbar. For Mac, do any of the following. Choose Finder, Applications, Adobe Creative Cloud, Adobe Creative Cloud. Or, click the Creative Cloud icon on the menu bar. Step 2. In the Sign In dialog box, click Sign In with an enterprise ID. Step 3. Enter your EWU email address and password. Click Sign In, and you will be signed into the Creative Cloud and all installed Adobe applications.